Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on.
Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some bacon pig dogs in a blanket. What? Bacon pig dogs. All right, looks like he's got some bacon, some ground pork, some puff pastry. I can see some grated onion there, some salt. He's got eggs and hot dogs and well, you know what? Head on over to our website, get all the details. Trust me, this is going to be good. This is why I think what they call pigs in a blanket gone wild. You got to check it out. All right, the pit master is taking some bacon or streaky bacon or belly bacon, and he's pre-cooking it. And here he's adding some onion, looks like some fine grated carrot. He's got some shredded cheese. Oh, are you kidding me? This is crazy. He's got some breadcrumb going in. Woo. Not sure what that is. I'm going to have to go over to the website ourselves. Now he's giving it a good mix. Oh, yeah. Adding some more breadcrumb, and that's to help absorb some of the moisture in there, right? He wants to get the right texture. Adding some, of course, SPG. Who's your favorite seasoning? But SPG is the magic. And there's the consistency. See, it's kind of dry. Perfect. Now he's making up, looks like he's going to do an egg wash here. Probably add a little bit of water. Yep, it's going to be an egg wash. Perfect. All right, the bacon looks done. Oh, man. Now he's chopping it up into fine little pieces. That works. All right, now he's going to put it together. He's got that puff pastry. You can buy that pretty much anywhere unless you insist on making it your own. Whatever. And put a little bit of chup on there. And now he's taking that pork mixture and putting a fine layer on. And then adding some of that bacon. And here he's got the dog, right? The pig dog. And then on top of that, he's putting another layer of the ground pork mixture. Oh, yeah. Pigs in a blanket gone wild. This is going to be good. All right, now he's taking that egg wash to use it as a glue. You know all about that, right? This will keep it together. All right, looks like he's got one done. He's going to do another. You can see this is pretty easy to do. Throwing on some mustard. Doing a simple roll. You could do a bunch of these beforehand, right? More of the glue, the egg wash. Totally get it. Man, you could have a pigs in a blanket gone wild party on this one. Looks like it's got that sesame seed going on. That's a nice touch. Oh, these are going to be good, man. It's going to put them on a grill, indirect, use it as an oven. You know all about that. About 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And it won't take long to cook. Guard dog is in place. All right, he's about halfway through this, and he's just going to spin that pan just to get some even cooking. Simple to do. Depending upon your grill, you may not have to do this, right? Right. Guard dog doing a good job. Woo. Woo. All right. Now, these look done. He's just going to sprinkle some sharp cheddar cheese on there. Again, head on over to our website. There goes some more chopped bacon. Now, you want to cook these So the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit because it's pork, right? You want to fully cook it. And in the miracle of time, take a look at that. Oh, man. Now, of course, Pitmaster is going to eat this in front of you. We call that Pitmaster privilege. So if you want to do this yourself, you're going to have to make it yourself. Oh, it's good. And I don't think he's apologizing. So be sure to tell your friends and family you know a pigs in a blanket gone wild recipe. Just head on over to barbecuepitboys.com.